For centuries, humanity has looked to the heavens for meaning, signs, and divine messages. Amongst the most debated miracle claims in Islamic tradition is the story that Muhammad split the moon. This claim is commonly associated with Quran chapter 54, verse 1, which states, "The hour has drawn near, and the moon has split." The verse itself is brief and offers no description of how, when, or where such an event occurred. Details about a literal splitting of the moon appears primarily in the Hadith literature compiled generation after Muhammad's death. From a historical perspective, this raises immediate questions. If the moon had physically split into two visible parts, the event would have been observable across vast portions of the earth. During the 7th century civilizations such as the Byzantines, Persians, Chinese, and Indians maintained detailed astronomical records. These cultures carefully document eclipses, comets, supernovas, and other unusual celestial phenomena. Yet no independent historical source outside later Islamic traditions records a moon splitting. Science further deepens the inquiry. Modern lunar research, including detailed surface mapping from Apollo missions and orbital satellite, has examined the moon with extraordinary precision. Scientists have identified surface features such as rills and fractures, but no global geological evidence supporting the idea that the moon was ever split into two separate bodies and then rejoined. According to modern physics, such an event would require immense energy, enough to catastrophically disrupt the moon's structure, alter its orbits, and affect Earth's tides and climate. Geological and environmental records show no traces of such disturbance during the time period in question. Because of this, many contemporary scholars, including Muslim academics, interpret the verse not as a literal astronomical event, but as a symbolic, visionary, or eschatological, referring to the end of days rather than a physical miracle. In the end, the story of the moon splitting stands not as a matter of science or historical record, but of faith. History depends on multiple eyewitness accounts and independent documentations. Science depends on physical evidence and testable data. On both counts, a literal splitting of the moon finds no support. And so, like many ancient miracle claims, it remains at the boundary between belief and inquiry, where faith speaks and science remains silent.